Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing 8.1, the rest of 8.1 and 8.2, which is the area of complex shapes. So in our flip chart that we made, we're looking at these types of problems where we divide into simple shapes and then we add up all the areas to get the final answer. Remember that all area is squared with our labels. Okay, so we've got this complex shape in front of you. I used graph paper to help me, so we're gonna say 3 because there's 3 boxes on the top. By 4, there's 4 boxes on the side. We're gonna call this meters for our label. Our next top is 8m because I went across 8 boxes. 3m along the side, 2 and 2. On the bottom we have 3, and lastly 6. All of them are meters. So if I want to divide this into simple shapes, there's a lot of different options, but we want to try to keep it as simple as possible. So drawing one line across there, and maybe one line going down here will give us 3 different shapes to find the area of. So for shape A, it's a rectangle, which means it's base times height. The base is 3 times the height is 4, which is 12. For B, we have a rectangle. The base from side to side is 8, and the height is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. And then C, our last shape, is 3 for the base and 2 for the height, so 6. When I add these up, I get 6 and 4, which is 10, plus 2 is 12, carry the 1, 42 meters squared. Okay, so remember, we're going to be breaking the complex shape into simple shapes, then find the area of each of those simple shapes, and then lastly add your areas together and label it. Okay? With square units. Remember that if your area is, you're trying to find the area of a triangle, that the formula is not just base times height. Our example had only rectangles in it, so we got lucky on that one. For homework today, we are going to be doing some problems from the book on page 277 and 278. I'd like you to copy the problems and solve number 11, 15, and 16. I also want you to try on page 282, numbers 4 and 11. Okay, so 5 problems total. Be sure to send me a picture of your notes that should match mine, and send me a picture of your completed homework where you drew out the pictures and showed all of your work. Thanks, guys.